Hi, Miss M6660. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Leila, 32 years old. I am married and I have one child and I live in Angono and I have two brother and one sister and I have also experience working in Hong Kong 2 years and 5 months and my duties and responsibilities is do the house chores like cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, cooking and taking care of two child, one 7 years old and newborn.
Okay, so you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
You have a 1-year-old baby boy, right?
Yes.
And who will be the one who took care of your baby when you go abroad?
My mother.
Your mother.
Yes.
So there is the one who will took care of your baby.
Yes.
So there is no problem to work abroad, right?
No.
Okay. Since you have experience taking care of a newborn, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir. Sure.
You know how to prepare a meal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper first and check the temperature or if baby is hungry, I'll check.
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call my employer immediately.
Okay, why suddenly break the contract?
It's my personal matter.
For your personal matter.
Yes.
So, your employer know about this?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I was thinking my future sons, for my future sons and also to save to help my financial.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer need me.
Okay, so it is okay to you to work longer or
Yes.
to repeat to continue your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed egg, steamed fish, stir fry vegetable, and long soup, and making congee.
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to use cell phone without your employer consent?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with the baby.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly and pets?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes.
Okay. What will be your message for your employer?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me. I am hardworking, honest, and also I treat your family just like my family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Leila. Thank you.